Welcome to Quick English Podcast channel. I wake up early in the morning. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. After I wake up, I stretch my body. Then, I get out of bed slowly. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and smile. After that, I take a shower. I use soap and shampoo. I feel fresh and clean. Then, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes. Now I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. I eat bread, eggs, and drink tea. Breakfast is important for my day. It gives me energy. Day routine. After breakfast, I start my day. I go to school or work. Sometimes I walk. Sometimes I take a bus. I meet people and say hello. I talk with my friends or coworkers. I study and learn new things. I listen carefully and take notes. Sometimes I feel tired, so I take a short break. I drink water and relax. Afternoon. At noon, I eat lunch. I eat rice, vegetables, or meat. Lunch helps me continue my day. After lunch, I go back to work. I focus on my tasks. Time goes fast when I am busy. Evening routine. In the evening, I go back home. I feel a little tired, but happy. I relax and sit down. Sometimes I watch TV or use my phone. I talk with my family. We share stories about our day. Night routine. At night, I eat dinner. Dinner is light and simple. After dinner, I prepare for tomorrow. I organize my things. Then, I brush my teeth again. I go to bed. I close my eyes and sleep. I rest and get ready for a new day. Repeat practice section important for long video. Now let's repeat together. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I learn new things. I come back home. I relax. Thank you for listening. Practice every day to improve your English.